Opening up all this 91, 92 Dream Team stuff has me feeling patriotic. America, fuck yeah. Damn, that was loud. Okay, let's open some cards. I originally wanted to wait on this box, but after opening that box the other night and going through looking at centering and trying to figure out these borderless cards, figured I might as well get all these pulled out and processed at the same time. Well, I've got numbers for centering still in my head, and these really suck as far as trying to figure out what a 10 is supposed to look like, because they're all in good shape, but without a border. You really gotta get down in the weeds with this shit. Want to display it? I don't really care. The box top is the only part I keep. If it gets burned. Standard. Looking at the guide yesterday, there's a no number Drexler in here somewhere. Not that we're going to get it, but it is in here. Open a few of these one at a time and then go from there. On camera. Give me a little workspace. Don't remember him. Don't even remember Bobby Ham. Well, I do kind of remember him. Red Coles, Tony Brown, Warriors, Engineering, Sixers. We'll hang on to him, because that should be Barkley. I was able to pick up a partial box of 92-93 Stadium Club Series 1 today. At about $2 a pack. So I'll wait until all that shit shows up. There's a Scotty on the back. That should be an Olympic one. Looks nice and bent. Well, not Olympic, but it is bent. Got that part right. So in 2091, we can celebrate the 200th birthday of a wooden basket. Mark Macon, don't know him. Larry Bird. Detroit, I'm sure there's some guys on there. Gary Payton, hang on to him, hang on to him. They weren't as easy to open as the last box. I need to bust out my surgical scissors. Oh, we got a Dream Team card back there. You see that? Nah, we'll save it. Clippers, we don't care about that one. Terrell Brandon, he's worth pulling out. We won't send him off for a Viking funeral. So I got 8 of these in the box yesterday. Only one of them was centered correctly for grading as a 10. And it was the middle card. And I had to go by the top border. Separate that. And then we pull off the Jordans in another pile. Really all we're chasing here is Jordans, and the back card on each pack is bent. Chasing Jordans, Dikembe, Larry Johnson. That's about it. The big one is the Jordan USA card. America. Wait, who is that? I keep thinking that's Rodman, and it probably is. We'll pull it out and look at it later. That card's not bent this time. Might have done something right. Oh, this pack is busted. Mitch Richmond, Simpson, Grayer, Heat, Lakers. What the hell's this thing? Oh, game program. I don't know what happened to me, but I have been craving candy corn for like 2 days. I'm on my 3rd bag. Actually 4th bag in about a week. That one's fucked up. Coach. Coach. The most garbage candy ever. And I feel like I need it. I was craving it when I came home. I ate it, did some yoga, went on a walk. Still needed it. Ooh, here's another Coach. Yeah, we'll leave Casey Jones alone. I think he's passed along. Coach, Wes Unseld. That's a good sign. All right, centering, corners. This guy's looking all right. Jordan gets a separate pile. Wire. Wallet Man, Tim Hardaway. I don't remember Tim Hardaway from yesterday. What else did I buy today? That might be it. I think I did buy. God damn, these are all fucked up. And Barkley. Ooh. Is this fucked up? Corners are good. Centering's hard to tell. I'm looking for surface issues. This one looks solid. Put him over here. Corn. Coach. Fuck off. This one counts. I won't send these off, but it still counts. And now I'm running out of room for my shit pile. BJ, Larry Bird, Coach. Throw all the Coaches in the trash can right out of the bat. It's less cards for me to sort. Chromo. Is that repairable? It kind of is. Spurs. Scotty. Small School Sensation. And Central Arkansas. As like what we found out yesterday. Actually, I knew that. I forgot that at some point in my life when I stopped caring about things. Eh, it's just Olympic. We won't throw that one. Liberal arts. Bullshit. Did you fucking get a degree in underwater gynecology? No, that's probably actually a science. That's not liberal arts. I wasn't going to send any of these. I might rethink that one. What did I do here? BJ. Here's another Jordan variety. Nice. Larry Johnson rookie. Yeah, we'll go through that later. Dennis Hobson. Coach. Kenny Wilkins. In a nice button down. Nope. Call it business casual. Whatever the fuck. Chicago Bulls. So this is going to have the team on there. We'll split that off. Pause. Pause. Moving on. Harry Grant, Sadeo, Sean Kemp. We will save him. Coach. Oh my God. Are they all like that? At least on that side of the box. Claudia Diva. It's gonna have a Reggie Miller on it. It's got some guys we know. Stacey Ogden, man, sort of okay. Career-wise, he was okay. This card said he's not worth a fuck. Corn. It's just not gonna let me tear them. So the basket and the ball were invented in the same year, I think. That's a rookie. I thought it was worth more than it is. I won't send any. He wasn't fantastical enough. I wonder how many times Jordan made him cry. Mutombo's on there. I don't think I noticed that last time. Clyde the Glide. Pat Riley was cool, but Coach. You might have a damage-free pack. Portlanders probably have Drexler in there. Jerome Kersey, Jackson, Billy Owens. Don't remember him. Watched the dude break some stuff. Couldn't pronounce this dude's name. Dan Marley. Not that anybody's watching my videos and gives a shit. So here we go again. Where the fuck did that go? Coach. Barkley. Medicine. There's a degree. Medicine. Work was interesting this morning. The big boss, the other one of our coworkers, she was actually right. Big boss eventually shut up. He's going through some shit. His dad's sick. We gotta leave him alone, but what the fuck, man? Quit acting ridiculous in the office. Petrovic. Skybox. Who is that? Is that a King? It is a King. There's Reggie. Here, messed up to LS. Sorry, Daly. Shackelford, Ramil Robinson. We're pretty fucking light on these guys over here. We don't have the Jordan. There he is. Oh, yeah, there he is. How bad are you fucked up? Oh, this corner is shit. Sad, sad day in the neighborhood. Yeah, that's nuts. Well, we'll work on it. Spend some quality time. Salutes. Ooh, we were missing the salutes variation. Kevin Johnson, Jimmy Rogers. Drexler. Probably a Drexler. Spread them cheeks. Magic Skybox. Don't care. This is a Hardaway. There's too much going on in this damn set. I hope we pull another one of these that's actually centered the way it's supposed to be. I'd hate to have to buy that card to get the set off. $2. And as always, I'll sort through this. Make sure I didn't miss anybody. Put them in order, give the set the respect it deserves before I burn it. Look at that mangled fucker. Dominique. Concact. I didn't know he played on the Olympic team. America. Reggie Lewis. Saw a YouTube video on him. Kind of sucked. I was watching a little bit of game footage on that video. It kind of reminded me of the way Jordan moved. Trailblazers from Kersey, Mark Jackson, Billy Owens. Getting low on rookies too. I don't have a Dikembe. What did I do with Larry Johnson? Did I bury it in that pile? Edison, Rockets. Front and back cards are just offset. They take all kinds of beatings. There's a Matumbo. Randy Miller. Perkins, Shackle for Neal. That's a new ball. Tumble. Well, let's look at him. Check him out, yo. For me in the back card, he's looking all right. Trying to minimize any damage I'm doing to him. We got 8 of those in the last box. We're almost 3/4 of the way through. Krzyzewski, Business, Cliff Robinson. Coach. Next, I'm sure there's somebody in there. There's some guys we know. Mark McGuire, Hornacek, Kukas, Mullet Man, Timmy. Remember South Park? Timmy! cheating. I'm looking for him. Dominique. Haven't seen a Sean Kemp, have we? Roger Miller. Coach. I'm running out of boxes to chase down. I want my 92 Stadium Club 2 and my 92 Fleer 1. And after that, I might have to start doing repeats. Start getting into 94, 95 here. Looking at a little bit of money. 95, 96 is damn near out of reach. Steve Smith. Yeah, we save him. And we had those 7 extra packs yesterday. Pull a shit ton of stuff out of those. Yeah, you gotta go. Oh, these have cards. That one had cards up at the top. I don't like this box. This box sucks. Oh, I missed a coach. Golden State, who do we get? Tim Hardaway and Magic, I believe. Pooh Richardson, Ricky Pierce, Kenny Smith, Larry Brown. You gotta go. I'm glad they stopped putting coaches and stuff. I wonder when that happens. Boston. Stacey Ogman, you'll come out. Is that one? Oh, that's Jordan. I hope this one's centered the way it's supposed to be. Corners look good, surface is good. This one is completely dependent on this border right here. But it does have Jordan. Maybe I won't have to buy that card. Craig Elo. Ah, fuck yeah. Luke Longley. Pull him off. Maybe the card gods are mad at me because I'm disrespecting the coaches. Denver Nuggets. That is a Mutombo. That is a Drexler. That is some dude. Skybox salutes you. Good job, and good job on the haircut. And I feel like I gotta go through here. I got time. 23 minutes in. We'll make it. I'm looking for those rookies, so I have a decent count. There's a Luke. Stacey Ogman, did we care about him? I'm pulling out anyway. There's a Larry Johnson in here somewhere. There's a Sean Kemp. There's Larry. Steve Smith. Throw Brandon. No, I pulled him. Scotty, he's nice. Ooh, he's even more damaged than I thought. Excuse me, candy corn burps. I'll read that card later. I'm curious as to why Skybox saluted Robert Parrish. Some of those 91, 92 flavor packs had like 4 coaches in them, 4 or 5 coaches. I'd be so fucking pissed if I ended up with that pack back in the day. I remember buying a pack of 90 Leaf when I was working in the shop. It was like $5. That scared the shit out of me because, I mean, if you don't pull anything, I mean, you're out $5, and that's a big deal in 1990 to a 15-year-old kid. On here doing all this. And I pulled Frank Thomas rookie. And even back then, that was worth like $100. That was a real fucking card. That's probably my first real card. And now it's what, I don't know, 40, 20? Don't even know. Now I have my own one. USA. Tim Manning, don't care. Man, we're low on everything in this box. So this is part of the reason I started looking at these PSA 10s. The centering goes like from here, here, here. And how did I do that? This is my salutes template. So, Skybox. So I had to find a 10, figure out where the borders are. I marked this Don Chaney card up. So that's got to line up. Actually, it'd be more like this. So that one's good top to bottom. Now left to right. We're pretty fucking close. And then we got this green over here on this side. This one's actually centered the way a 10 should be. Now, as for all the other shit, corners and stuff, I'd have to go through it. But that's why I wanted to get through this box, because I have to build templates off of 10s that I find online. Fuck you, coach. Clyde Drexler. He's probably on there too. Golden State. We'll save it. Shrimp, Ainge, Dunleavy. Pull the coaches out. Less cards to sort. My life becomes easier. Magic. I wonder if there's an app out there that would help me figure this shit out. Centering on cards to send in for grading. Because the grading places got something, don't they? You'd think they would. Some sort of database that they've built. We should charge people for that. I'd pay for access to that. Especially with these 91, 92 Fleer that's all offset and wonky. These cards here that don't have borders. Dominique. Davis. I'm running out of packs. I'm down to 2, I believe. Might have to keep buying this shit. I'll go pack by pack. Yeah, card gods are definitely mad at me. There we go. Forgot to squish that one down. Kenny Anderson. I feel like I ought to know that name. John Stockton, I haven't seen him today. Oh, this was on the back of the pack. How fucked up is it? It's got a corner. 2 bad corners. Jesus shit. That sucks. Well, we end the day with a Matumbo on the front. How bad's he effed up? He's actually solid. A little off center. Definitely off center. We only have one Jordan. Yeah, looks like it. One Olympic Jordan. Wah, wah. Ooh, this was not a good box compared to yesterday. All right, wrap up. As far as the Olympics, we did get 2 Jordans out of this stuff. So we got a full set. 1 full set and an extra. Yesterday we had 2 full sets and an extra. 2 extras. The Jordans have corner. One of them had a corner issue. 2 Lukes, a Terrell Brandon, 1 Jordan Olympic, or USA team. Stacey Ogman, 2 Steve Smiths, a Larry, 2 Dikembes, and we were light on all the Jordan varieties compared to yesterday. Really just 1 of each. 5, and I want to say there's 6 total in here with that Dream Team tri-card. Well, can't do shit about it now. I already opened the box. I guess the next step is sort everything out, see if I missed anything. Get rid of the bad guys. And get to grading. I was shooting to get another 25 cards out by the end of the month, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think I went through 15 cards yesterday. I might have separated 3. 3 were good enough to ship. All right, I'm out. America. Good night, people. Bye.